Shiners, welcome. So today is Saturday and I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of a grocery haul and a home decor room update. So my grocery haul will feature some healthy snacks, not 100%, but I wanted to start eating healthier because I'm getting a little bit chunky in my gut. So I wanted to lower my calorie intake, and also for the kids, I want them to eat a little bit more healthier because, you know, they're not as active anymore, especially going to school. So all they do is kind of like stay home and play video games. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So without no further ado, let's jump into this haul. Okay, so these are the items I picked up today at the supermarket. I usually shop at Publix because they do have great healthy option there as well. So I did pick up some strawberries. I'm gonna start making my smoothies again. Of course, I have to have some Dunkin' coffee. I drink this in the morning time. I picked up some bananas for my smoothie as well. I did pick up some plantain chips. I picked up some bell peppers. I'm gonna use this when I cook my tofu. I picked up some board heads, ham meat. My daughter loves ham and cheese, so this is more for her. And then some taco seasoning. When I do make some tacos, I like to use the taco with less sodium because I do have hypertension, so I gotta watch my sodium intake as well. Of course, I had to have some chocolate. So, like I said, it's not 100% healthy. So I did pick up some baby Bella mushrooms. This I usually cook in my tofu. I love this with the bell peppers. And then I also picked up this. This tastes so good. This is stuffed Bella. Sorry. This is stuffed Bella mushrooms. It has artichoke, spinach, and cheese. This is pretty nice. You pretty much pop this in the oven for, I believe, 20 minutes. And it comes out so nice. It's really good. Picked up hot dog. My son loves hot dog. And of course, I love my Chobani flipped strawberry cheesecake yogurt. I love this yogurt. This is the only yogurt I eat. It tastes so good. So if you don't like yogurt, I think this is a great start. This tastes so good. It's sweet, and I love eating this as a snack. Then I picked up some skinny popcorn, white cheddar. My son loves popcorn, so I decided to pick up this one. It has 43 calories per cup. So like I said, I'm trying to reduce my calorie intake. So this is a great alternative as a snack because the calories are much lower. The snack that he usually eats is 100 calories per serving. So this is pretty good as well. This is even better. Of course, I picked up some Simply lemonade. I love these little mini bags of vegetables. I just steam these on the stove. I like the California blend, Roma blend, and also the Italian blend. I also picked up some blueberries. This is to make my smoothie. And then I saw this steak sauce. I want to try this. I've never tried this before, so I'll let you guys know how that tastes. And of course, I love honey bunches of oats. This is also a healthy snack. This one, well, this is 160, but if you eat this for breakfast, that isn't bad. So 160 calories for breakfast isn't bad. Isn't a bad option if you just eat this. Of course, I picked up some Pringles. My daughter loves Pringles. This has 150 calories. That's a little high, but of course, you know, we're working to lower the calories. I also picked up this sweet potato. Oops, I dropped my potato. I picked up this sweet potato multigrain tortilla chips. This is also another healthy option. This one has 130 calories. That's not bad. Although the Skinny Pop is a little bit, you know, on the healthier side, but I think this is also a great snack or chips to use instead of, you know, something that is high in calorie. So I'm gonna try this and see how good it tastes. Of course, I did pick up some tofu, extra firm. I like my tofu on the firmer side. This tofu also only has 90 calories, so that's not bad. And the sodium is 1%. So I do have to watch my sodium and my calories. And the cholesterol on this is 0, so that is awesome. So tofu is also a great alternative to meat as well if you're looking to reduce your meat intake, because I did pick up some meat as well, but I'm trying not to eat meat every day, so I picked up some tofu as a switch up during the week. Did I go over the calories on this? Yes. So sorry, the calories on these bags are 25. This one is 40. And then the calorie on this one is 30. As you can see, the sodium is 1%, 20 milligrams. So that's not bad. That's pretty low. Although it should be 0. But the sodium is 1%. So we're pretty good there. And then I did pick up some Jasmine Rice. I do love my Jasmine Rice. That's the only rice I eat. I really don't know the difference between white rice and brown rice. It's the same calories, because if you look at brown rice, they do have the same calorie count. So that's not bad. And then I did pick up some sweet potato. These you just pop into the microwave and they cook in like 8 minutes. See, you can see from the wrapper it says microwave and wrapper for 5 to 8 minutes. Depends on the setting of your microwave. This one doesn't tell you any calories, but of course sweet potato is always better than the white potato, so this is a healthier potato to eat. I also did pick up some Simply orange juice. I do love my orange juice. Some Minute Maid fruit punch. I got some tropical punch as well. And also to substitute my Dunkin' Donuts creamer, I picked up this sweet and creamy silk almond creamer. This one is dairy free, which is a better alternative, I believe. So let's look at calories. The calorie on this one is 25 and the sodium is 1%, so that isn't bad either. That's a great alternative. As a creamer, is much more healthier. You know, let me get my Dunkin' Donut. So this is my Dunkin' Donut creamer that I usually use. So this one has 40 calories. Oops, sorry. This one has 40 calories and 0 sodium, 5 milligrams, 0%. So this one is a little bit higher in calories. So this one is almost half. So I think the silk creamer is a better alternative, and it's dairy free. I also picked up this milk. So this one has 60 calories, which is awesome. So between this and the honey bunches of oats, so that's what, 120 and 60, that's 180 calories for breakfast. That isn't bad. And oops, the sodium is a little bit high at 7%. You can see there. I don't know why they would put sodium in almond milk, but I'll check to see if it does elevate my blood pressure. And I did pick up some vegetarian eggs. These don't tell you much, but they are all vegetarian fed, no hormones, antibiotics, or animal byproducts. They don't tell you anything about calories here. But these are brown eggs. I love brown eggs. I did pick up some taco shells from when I do make tacos. Of course, potato bread. I kind of messed it up. I put stuff on there. And I did pick up some hot dog bun, 100% whole wheat, for the kids for when they eat hot dog. This one has, let's see how many calories. This has 110 calories, right? Yeah, 110 calories and 7% sodium. Not awful, but could be better. Let me see the hot dog. And then the hot dog has, the hot dog is 160 calories. So 160 calories with the bread, 110, that's what, 270. So not bad as a snack. So that's much better, I guess. And then of course another box of juice, and then of course some food for my kitties, and then some Aunt Jemima. This one has 100 calories. That's a little bit high, but I don't use syrup, so this is for when my daughter put it on her waffles or Eggos. I did also pick up some avocados to make avocado toast. I'm gonna try that. I also want to get that what is it? Can't believe it's not that bagel one from Trader Joe's. I forgot what you call that one. I don't know. And some cucumber and lemon for my cucumber and lemon water. So I like to make that and drink that, you know, while I'm doing like a facial or something. I like to have my lemon and cucumber water. These are like 79 cents at Publix, really cheap, and this one was like 84 cents per lemon. So I just picked up 4. So yeah. So you guys, that's pretty much my grocery haul. I hope you enjoy that section of my grocery haul. Like I said, I am trying to eat healthier, and also for the kids to eat better as well. So if you have any healthy snack ideas, please share it down below. And also any smoothie, you know, recipe. I do love a good smoothie, so don't forget to share that down below as well. So up next is going to be my room. I'm going to show you guys some new home decor items. I did pick up a side table from Target, very affordable. It was like 50 bucks. I was like, man, to find a side table for 50 bucks isn't bad. And then I did pick up some things from Amazon, and you guys are gonna see it. So let's go to my room.